All right.
Once
y'all have the shot, y'all are free to shoot. Let them have it.
Give it to him, man. Down.
There's one. Hold real quick. Let's get this guy right here. Let him have it.
Right here. Barely walking. Put it on him. Damn, that's out.
Alright, hold fire real quick. Alright, y'all smack them. Alright, smack these two. Let them have it.
Go for the spotted one, Haley. I'll kill the black one.
Wow, he's one of the bigger targets.
Nice swap.
Dad, you can go ahead and smack that one if you want. Just throw it on the floor, it's fine. Did you get him?
Yeah, he's down.
Alright, you smack that pig. Let him have it.
One and done, huh?
There you go. Alright, hold fire.
Tell him welcome this your ass down, Taylor.
Good eye. Now you're out shooting your dad. Alright, you let him have it.
Open your leg up, baby.
Playing smart right now. Put one in that bush. There he is. Alright, hold fire. First, get your leg hung out if you'd like. They're a little trickier than the bigs. Alright, let them have it. Alright, you get the shot, smack that pig. There it was, nice. There's one. We'll go ahead and get on him. If you want to get your gun ready. Alright, y'all let him have it. On him, let him have it. We're going to be a little bit higher since we got treetops, but shot. You got him. Alright, if y'all get a shot, let him have it. Nice. Now we're talking. I'll get him turned a little bit. Alright, once y'all have the shot, y'all let them have it. Yep, we gotta reload. Let's put her on safe. Alright. Get this pig right here. Let him have it. Nice shot. Hold fire. We're gonna get this one that's trying to make it out. Alright. Smack him.
Plug City.
He goes across any road, he's out of bounds, so get him quick. Nice. Alright, hold fire. Alright, y'all let this little bacon bit have it. Nice shot. Finish him off. Nice. Now we're talking. Alright, let them have it. Get these closer to first. Nice. Hold, we'll get this one, then we'll come back and play some cleanup. Smack them. Nice.